Carbide burr tools are essential instruments in the world of metalworking and fabrication, valued for their versatility and ability to deliver precision results on a variety of metals. These rotary cutting tools, typically made from tungsten carbide, are designed to remove material efficiently and withstand the rigors of working with tough metals. Their unique construction allows them to maintain a sharp cutting edge even under demanding conditions, making them a go-to choice for professionals in fields ranging from automotive fabrication to artistic metal sculpting. One of the primary uses of carbide burrs is weld preparation. Before two pieces of metal are joined together, it's crucial to ensure that the surfaces are clean, even, and free from any contaminants or irregularities that could compromise the strength of the weld. Carbide burrs excel at this task, quickly removing rust, paint, or old weld material, and creating a smooth beveled edge to promote better fusion during welding. This preparation step is key in achieving strong, reliable welds that stand up to stress and time. After welding, the joint often has rough spots, excess material, or irregular bead shapes that need smoothing. Carbide burrs come into play once again, allowing fabricators to blend and refine the weld seam. Their sharp, rotating flutes can effortlessly cut through hardened steel or stainless steel, smoothing out high spots and providing a clean, professional finish. This is particularly important in applications where appearance matters, such as in custom automotive parts or ornamental metalwork, where every detail contributes to the overall impression. Carbide burrs are also indispensable when it comes to shaping metal parts. Whether crafting intricate details in a metal sculpture or modifying automotive components for a custom fit, these tools give users the control to sculpt, contour, and fine-tune metal surfaces. Their range of shapes, including cylindrical, ball, flame, and oval, means there's a burr for nearly every shaping requirement. For instance, a ball-shaped burr can carve out concave shapes or hollow areas, while a cylindrical burr can flatten surfaces or enlarge holes. The ability to work on common metals such as steel, stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, and cast iron makes carbide burrs a universal solution for a wide array of projects. Another crucial application is deburring, the process of removing sharp edges, burrs, or leftover material after machining operations like drilling, milling, or cutting. Left unchecked, these imperfections can cause safety hazards, interfere with part assembly, or lead to premature wear. Carbide burrs efficiently clean up these edges, ensuring each component not only looks refined, but also fits perfectly with others in assembly. In manufacturing environments, this step is essential for maintaining quality control and ensuring the longevity of both the parts and the tools used to assemble them. Consider the example of fabricating custom automotive parts. Here, carbide burrs might be used to prepare the edge of a metal panel for welding, smooth out the weld after joining, shape the panel for an exact fit, and finally, deburr any remaining sharp edges. The result is a component that not only meets precise technical specifications, but also has a smooth professional appearance. Similarly, for metal sculptors, carbide burrs offer the finesse needed to bring a vision to life, from roughing out broad shapes to adding fine details that give a sculpture its character and depth. In summary, carbide burr tools are indispensable in metalworking and fabrication for their ability to prepare, shape, and finish metal surfaces with precision and efficiency. Whether working with steel, stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, or cast iron, these tools empower craftsmen and professionals to elevate the quality, safety, and aesthetics of their work, making them a cornerstone in workshops and studios around the world.